Hello students, today we are going to discuss one of the activity which is related to the budding type of reproduction, which is a type of asexual reproduction. Okay, budding we have already seen in the previous video, okay, that budding is a small outgrowth that is produced by the simple organisms like yeast in their body, and that is called bud. That bud develop or mature, then detaches from the parent body and behave like a new individual. Okay, that is budding. Example we have seen in yeast cell. Okay, example is yeast. So this is one of the activity which here we can see that how the yeast cell reproduce or divide to form new copies of itself. Okay, so let us do one activity which shows the division in yeast cell or the budding process in this. Okay, so let us move. First you have to take a glass tumbler. Okay, you have to take one glass tumbler. In that glass tumbler, you have to take 1 tablespoon of flour. Okay, 1 tablespoon of flour, then 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of yeast. Okay, in a glass tumbler, we have to take 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of yeast. Now, we have to pour some warm water over it. Okay, now we just pour some warm water over it to make a smooth paste. Okay, we took 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of yeast. Okay, and then we just pour some warm water over it to make a smooth paste in this glass tumbler. Okay, now you just cover the lid, cover it by a lid and allow it to cool or leave it undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, just leave it undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, then after 2 to 3 hours, okay, after 2 hours, we suppose what we will observe? We will observe, but before leaving, you just mark the level also. Okay, just mark. See, its level is here only. This is the previous level, initial level, means the level before it, before 2 hours. Okay, so here we are taking these 3 things, then we pour some warm water over it and we just leave it undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours and we just mark its level. Okay, this is the initial level. Initial means this is the previous level. Before 2 hours the level was like this. Okay, now what will happen after 2 hours? After 2 hours, you will observe that the level has risen up and it rises up to here. Okay, it was here and after 2 hours when we will observe it, we will find that the level has risen and the paste has become bubbly. Bubbly means it contains bubbles, as you can see in the figure. Bubbles are there. Okay, so after 2 hours, its level has risen, increases and the paste has become bubbly means it contains bubbles. Okay, so what we can conclude? Two things we can conclude here. First one, that this is because of the rapid reproduction of yeast cell. Okay, first reason is the rapid reproduction of yeast cell. Okay, why it reproduce? Because all conditions are favorable so that yeast cell can reproduce here, and because of the rapid reproduction of this yeast cell, its value or its level rises. And why the bubbles are there? Because of the gas carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas is released during respiration. Okay, what is respiration? The intake of oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide out of the body with the release of energy. That is respiration. Here, along with reproduction, respiration also takes place. Because of that one, CO2 carbon dioxide gas is released. So we can see bubbles here. Okay, so the reason of the rise of this level and the bubbles are, there are two reasons. First is because of the rapid reproduction of yeast cell, and second one because of the carbon dioxide is evolved here due to respiration. Okay, so this activity, we can see that in this activity yeast cell reproduced. Okay, here we just took a half a spoon of yeast and all conditions favors here so that it can able to reproduce, and this yeast cell reproduce, a rapid reproduction takes place here so that its level has risen up and bubbles are also there because of carbon dioxide gas which is released because of respiration. Okay, other than this, if you want to see the growth or the reproduction in yeast cell, you can do that activity at your home also. How? Let us see. You can also perform this activity in your home. You can carry out this budding in yeast cell. You can observe. Okay, budding in yeast cell. What you have to do? You just have to take the sugar solution. Okay, the sugar solution should be warm. Okay, first you have to take warm sugar solution. Okay, warm, that is little bit warm sugar solution you can make by yourself. Okay, then add some yeast on it. Then add some yeast on it. Okay, and just place them in a jar. Okay, then the next step, cover the jar. Cover that jar. Okay, then what will happen? Leave it for a 1 day. Okay, for 1 day we are leaving it undisturbed. Okay, what we are going to see? Budding in yeast cell at your home we can do. Okay, what we can do in experiments also. First, we just have to take the warm sugar solution in the jar, then add some yeast into it and cover that jar and leave it undisturbed for a day. Okay, then after 1 day, you just take 1 drop and put that drop on a slide and just observe them in microscope. Okay, when you observe 1 drop of this solution after 1 day in microscope, under microscope, what you will going to observe? You will observe that the yeast cell colonies or buds you will see, because the yeast cell reproduced during these hours or 24 hours in 1 day, and we can observe or we can see the copies or buds of the yeast cell under microscope. Okay, so this activity is also simple. We can carry out at home, and if you are having microscope, a small microscope, and if we can also carry out in school in the laboratory. Okay, it's very simple. Only the thing that we are needed are the warm sugar solution and yeast. We just take them in one jar and cover it and leave it undisturbed for 1 day. After 1 day, when we just put a drop of this solution in a slide, and when we observe them under microscope, we will get the colonies or the buds on yeast cell or the reproduction in yeast cell. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.